Have you been bearish? Have you been bullish because of the elections, Trump, Kamala drama? And have you been trying to short the choo-choo train today with this massive ripper, which by the way was predictable? This is what I sent out Sunday at 8:58 in the morning. This is the free Discord community, which is 100% free. There are no in-app purchases, so you can join. It is totally free. I discussed this idea about being stuck in a range between 58.63 and 58.30. Well, what ends up happening on Monday? We get this beautiful trap to the downside here through that 40, which was Sunday's low, and we did make a trade off there, and we caught that nice rally and push to the upside. But now going into today's move and understanding this major level of support here at the 25 and 30 level, which puts us basically right here. You can clearly see how we have basically a tiny trap to the downside, but not really so much a trap, but rather a level of support being tested here. And then we get the nice ripper pretty much almost end of day there, pushing us right towards the level of resistance, which is going to be that 60 level we broke down from in the morning. But this is what I really want to point out with this game of ping pong, that we like to be stuck inside of ranges, accumulate, and then do the distribution. So this is what I was mentioning with when it comes to the accumulation, which is we were stuck inside of this range right below that 77 75 area, and we were going to be probably likelihood testing this major level of support here being 57.25, 57.30. You can see here on the daily chart, this is how you must get your levels on a daily chart, how this level is becoming a very key level in the marketplace, because it's very predictable that when a level this major gets tested, we are likely going to have a good size bounce from it. And hence why going into today, when we opened up at the 50s, let me make sure here, which by the way, I'm not talking hindsight, I'm talking about trades I really did take. It's all being recorded, live stream. I live stream every single morning at 9 in the morning, Monday through Friday. So all these trades are not hindsight. I want to show you this right here. When we took back this 48.50 level, this is where I was long there. And I, of course, ended up taking profit early at the 60s here. But look at this. This move just kept on going. But this is a perfect example of why I say that ES is a never-ending story. You must know what happened yesterday. So kind of like understanding yesterday's chapter, you might be able to predict and make a good guess as to where price and where ES wants to go the next chapter or the next day, which is today. So obviously knowing that the trap was set up yesterday, we have a major bounce of a major level of support, and then we are trying to take back levels of resistances such as 48 towards this 52 level here. It's very simple. The trend likely wants to head on upwards. Now, I don't know what's going to happen with the elections. I don't really care what's going to happen with the elections. I'm going to keep my, biased opinion as to who I think should win out of it, and what I will focus on in order to profit from these coming days, because they're going to be very volatile, is going to be one thing. This particular key level here, and it's going to be price. Price is king. I have nailed that in my head, and I think majority of traders should do that and keep the biases out of their trading. So as long as this level continues to hold, I think we're pushing likely towards the highs, if not making new highs later on. But for now, this is going to be a trap zone. This could potentially be playing out as a magnet in the future. The volatility has not even started yet, so watch out. Wait for traps, expect the traps, and most importantly, follow the trap. If you cannot answer who just got trapped, it's likely gonna be you.